Date night dinner with your dog? That's right, Reno's favorite riverside dining experience is back. Every Monday, all summer long, we invite you to bring your furry friend to Wild River Grill in downtown Reno. Enjoy our famous riverside patio with your canine companion while supporting local, nonprofit animal organizations. Wild River Grill offers some of Reno's best-known gourmet entrees, quality wines, local draft brews, and some pretty tasty dog treats too. Call and make your reservation today or online at wildrivergrill.com.